Over 70 years ago, Camp Carson was activated and became Fort Carson. It was history in the making, but that was just the first chapter in the rich history of the Mountain Post, and we want to make sure that the rich history is never forgotten or taken for granted. Fort Carson is the only major U.S. Army post without a dedicated full museum to honor its heritage. That's about to change. The Mountain Post Historical Association is going to build a museum located outside the main gate of Fort Carson, just across from Cheyenne Mountain State Park. The museum will ensure that the sacrifices of soldiers who served at Fort Carson are never forgotten. It's a long overdue tribute. From the cavalry to foot soldiers, to tanks, to choppers, to today's high-tech world. There are so many unique stories waiting to be told. And every unit which has served at Fort Carson will have the opportunity to tell their story and have a piece of their own history on display. The museum will be full of rare and unique artifacts, interactive displays, and themed galleries. Its educational programs will help school children better understand our country and help new soldiers better understand the bravery and sacrifices of those who came before. The museum will also serve as a gathering place for community groups as well as veterans reunions, and its distinctive architecture will provide a dramatic community landmark. More than 100,000 people are expected to visit the museum annually. Whether you're a soldier or a veteran or are simply a patriot who wants to say thanks, please join us and support the campaign today. We need your help and your financial support to make the museum a reality. Visit our website at www.mountainposthistoricalcenter.org.